Yo, what up guys, it's Cinou here and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make a logo in less than a minute. Well, of course, some of you guys are asking why this video is not a minute long. It's because I'm going to be explaining along the way, you dumbass. But yeah, with that being said, let's get going. Okay, so today we're going to be using designhails.com. The link will be down in description below. Once you get to the website, go ahead and create a brand new account by pressing on login, and then they're going to give you three options: Facebook, Twitter, and Google. I like to use Google because it's as easy as tapping, and that's it, you are already in. Go ahead and type in your company name, but if you have a YouTube channel just like me, go ahead and put in your YouTube channel name. Generate logos and you will be taken to this page. Here you should choose 5 or more logos, and this is actually amazing because most of the time when people are designing logos, they don't really know what are they going for. So for them to have you to choose 5 or more logos will give them good ideas to design a logo that better suits you. So go ahead and just choose 5 or more random logos or ones that you like. So I'm actually, I'm looking for, oh, this actually looks pretty dope and minimalistic. So you can actually go ahead and choose more. I think that's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and just put in continue so I can go ahead and just move on. And then you're gonna go ahead and pick the colors of the logo. They have a lot of colors. You can go ahead and scroll down. I went for gray and light blue. So here the name is Cinou. Go ahead and choose in your slogan, and it can be anything. Since I own a YouTube channel, I'm gonna go for subscribe for more. I think that's a pretty common slogan. You can go for whatever you want, and right over here, go ahead and just choose in your industry. So if you guys know me, I like design and art, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and just put in design and art. So once that's done, go ahead and just tell them your budget. So if you are willing to pay, go ahead and pay for your logo. But if your budget is $0, you are willing to get a free logo, go ahead and put in $0, and that's it. Now go ahead and just choose or search for symbols that you think will better suit your style. So art and design, I think it has something to do with a pen. So just search in pen, and that will give you a lot of HD or just good quality logos of pens and different type of pens. Choose in the ones that you like and hit continue, and you will be taken to the next page. So here it should take just a little bit of time to load, and once it's done, it's gonna give you all the logos that they designed for you. Now, it was pretty fast, and I'm pretty shocked because some of these logos are pretty damn impressive. You can even use them as a cover picture. You see, this actually looks pretty damn good. Like, I would use this logo. It's something that you can actually go ahead and use. It's not like a childish drawn logos. It's something like professional that you can actually go ahead and use. Well, I can agree if you say that some of them actually look pretty ugly, but most of them looks really usable and really nice. As you can see, this one actually looks pretty damn impressive for a logo or a cover picture. It looks pretty damn good, and the best thing about this, you can even go ahead and edit a logo, or you can just download it as it is. And also you can customize anything. You can change anything about the logo, the position of the text, or how big is the text, how big is the logo or the symbols. You can change the colors of the background, the text, and the symbols. Anything is customizable, and you can do whatever you want with the project that they give you. I mean, they actually give you a pretty good thing right off the bat, but if you don't like it, if you like to go ahead and do more customization, they let that open for you, so you can do whatever you want with the logo. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and make your very own logo down in description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.